In a remarkable display of diplomatic prowess, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has accomplished a significant triumph. He has succeeded in securing visa-free travel for Zimbabwean travelers visiting Iran. This historic agreement, recently announced by the government, represents a substantial stride towards fostering stronger bilateral relations between Zimbabwe and Iran. From February this year, any Zimbabwean holding an ordinary passport can freely travel to Iran. No visa required. This development broadens horizons for those Zimbabweans eager to delve into business prospects or to immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of Iran's cultural heritage through tourism. Iran has also extended educational opportunities to Zimbabwean students through generous scholarships. This initiative highlights the shared dedication to strengthening people-to-people connections and fostering academic exchange between Zimbabwe and Iran. While this diplomatic achievement deserves commendation, it prompts questions about its potential impact on the lives of ordinary Zimbabweans. Beyond the echo of diplomatic victories, the true test of such agreements lies in their ability to yield tangible benefits for our citizens. Critics and skeptics are watching closely, questioning whether these negotiations will indeed translate into improved livelihoods and opportunities for Zimbabweans. In the face of these inquiries, Chiwenga reaffirmed the significance of diplomatic engagements in creating opportunities for Zimbabweans. He reiterated the government's unwavering commitment to initiatives that prioritize the welfare and prosperity of its citizens. As Zimbabweans ponder this diplomatic milestone, attention remains focused on how such agreements can be utilized to drive socio-economic development and empower the populace. Beyond the mere removal of visa requirements, the real challenge lies in capitalizing on the potential of bilateral relations to tackle pressing issues and unlock opportunities for growth. To sum up, Vice President Chiwenga's successful negotiation of visa-free travel to Iran signifies a notable achievement in the diplomatic relations between Zimbabwe and Iran. However, the ultimate test of success lies in ensuring that these agreements translate into tangible benefits for Zimbabweans, contributing to their well-being and prosperity. As we look towards the future, the efficacy of these diplomatic endeavors will be gauged by their ability to foster inclusive growth and enhance the quality of life for all citizens.